The NVIDIA Shield and Shield TV Pro are both powerful, flexible streaming devices, and one of its party tricks is what the company calls AI upscaling. NVIDIA says it intelligently scales up lower resolution content to look better on your TV. If you have one of these devices and you haven't tried it out yet, here's how to enable AI upscaling on the NVIDIA Shield TV and Shield TV Pro. In traditional upscaling, the pixels in low-resolution content are repeated to fill out a higher-res version, and then a filter is often applied to smooth out rough edges. The results can look a bit soft compared to native, high-resolution content. NVIDIA's approach uses fancy neural network models based on studying a lot of different shows and movies to more or less predict what a high-res version of an image would need to look like to produce a scaled-down image that resembles the actual source. This approach apparently looks at what's actually on screen and takes that into consideration rather than treating every pixel the same. Turning on AI upscaling is pretty simple. Just head to Settings, and in Quick Settings select AI Upscaling and choose AI Enhanced. You'll see a few detail options with medium set by default. You can also set up Demo Mode, which is a neat way to see how effective the upscaling is on different types of content. With Demo Mode on, you can press the Settings button during playback to toggle the feature on and off to better compare its effect. If you hold the Settings button down, you can turn on an image slider that you can sweep left and right to compare the upscaler's effects. It's worth noting that the AI upscaler won't work on content that's lower than 480p or faster than 30 frames per second. The Shield TV falls back to standard upscaling in those cases. But now that you know how it works, have fun upscaling.